Hi everyone, it's John Cruz here at Cruz Auctions, and there are certain opportunities that come along that you feel an extra bit of honor to be able to facilitate, and this car in this collection is one of those. We are honored to represent George Glaze and his cars here at the 56th Annual Auburn Auction and Show, and he's chosen to sell all of them absolute, no reserve, to the highest bidder. So get registered to bid, check the website out, cruzauctions.com, for all of his cars. And I think many of you have probably met George if you've been to the Auburn Auction and Show, the ACD Festival, and all of the spectacular events that go on every Labor Day weekend here in Auburn. You've certainly seen him, and he's been coming here for decades. Many of you probably met him along with his sidekick, Truett Cathy, as both of them were a big part of Chick-fil-A, and you probably had some Chick-fil-A sandwiches in the past. But George has been on countless Hoosier tours. He's been all over the nation at wonderful concours events. Of course, the highlight of his collection is this Auburn Bowtail Speedster, which I've got to admire for many years at many shows and events. And we're looking forward to him being at the event as he shares his collection with all of you. So get registered to bid. Again, wonderful cars, wonderful enthusiast cars, and cars that we know you are going to have a lot of fun owning. You're gonna have the same pride of ownership as he's had for many decades, as he was able to pick which ones he wanted. And I hope you get as much out of the car hobby and the use of these cars, whether it be touring or showing or just admiring, as George has. So get registered to bid again, cruzauctions.com. The entire George Glaze collection selling no reserve on Saturday, September 5th. We'll look forward to seeing you at the auction.